Hi, this is Michelle. Welcome to my channel. First off, I would like to thank everyone who has watched my videos, who has subscribed, who has liked my videos, left me comments, left me feedback. It is appreciated. I thank you very much. Hope everybody's having a great day. Today I would like to talk about another eBay find. This one, though, is Coach. What I picked up was the Coach Dreamer 21 in the Denim Colorblock. I love, love, love this bag. I picked it up on eBay. I believe I paid $125, either $125 or $135 for this bag. I have to look it up. I know it looks tiny, and it is. But because it has these areas that gusset out, that gussets out, it gives it a little bit more capacity to carry just the necessities. And of course you have these small pockets on the side that will allow you to put other items in. Not much, but other items. My phone will not fit in this side pocket. And these pockets are on either side of the bag. But it'll hold your keys, you know. It'll hold your keys. But to me, it's just such an adorable little bag. And I love the fact that it's done in denim. So it has the lighter denim panel on the front or on either side of the bag. And then the darker denim, actually a darker denim on this panel. And then the interior is an even darker denim than that. And then it's collared or lined in a navy blue leather or leather trim. And then it has the gold toned hardware. It has the small tags on them, which again I think are adorable. It does have 4 feet on the bottom. The bottom panel is leather. I believe this, I don't know if this is the glove tan leather or not, but you know, super, super cute. The handles are done in leather, the navy blue leather. But really what I wanted to show you about this bag, well, first let me give you the measurements. It is 7 3/4 long, 5.5 inches high, and 4 inches wide. So it does have decent capacity. It's just not long. So let me show you what fits. And what I'm going to do is adjust the camera so that you can see how these items are fitting in. As you can see, I have my little iPad there. But yeah, good. Here it is. So I'm going to take out my smallest pouch from Michael Kors. Oh, and I forgot to mention that it does have double zippers. So, and you can have them go down. Actually, it goes down almost to the bottom of the bag. I'd say like 3/4 of the way down on both sides. And then the other thing that I love about this is the interior. It's a beautiful floral interior that is really, really pretty. And there is some inside organization. There is a small pocket here, and it's really just for a card, you know, definitely not for anything else but a small card. And then there is a zipper pocket on the other wall. And again, it's maybe a little bit larger than the card holder, you know, so. Now here is my Michael Kors small pouch. It will fit. It will fit, and there's room for more. And my medium pouch will not fit in this bag. It's actually wider than this bag, so that is not going to fit. But my wallet from Michael Kors will fit in this bag. And it does come over. It will zip up. And I believe I would be able to get my phone, because I still have room. So I would be able to get my phone in there. And honestly, you know, of course this would be the bare essentials, but as long as I can get my phone, my wallet, and maybe another pouch, and remember, you still have, you know, the little outside pockets on either side, so you can get your, you know, your lip balms, your lipstick, whatever else you want in there. I'm okay. I am okay. And it did come with a strap. Very thin strap, but then it's a very light bag. They didn't put the strap is 22 inches long, and the handle drops, forgot to mention, is 4 inches. So you can get them on your wrist, but I do not. Well, yeah, I can get it almost to the crook of my arm. Like I said, it does come with a crossbody strap, and it attaches on the diagonal. Little D-rings are right here. There you go. And let me just show you what it looks like on. So again, I'm going to adjust the camera over and bring it up a bit. No, I think I'm going to leave it down. Yeah. And this is what it looks like crossbody. And to me, it looks super, super cute. So that is what it looks like crossbody, and super, super light. So on days when, you know, you don't want to carry a whole lot, to me this is like the perfect bag. So let me know what you think. Let me know if this is something that you could carry, or even want to carry. Let me know what you think. Please leave your comments below. Bring it back. Now, of course, I could get some smaller pieces, definitely from Coach or, you know, from some other designer. I may do that, but honestly, what I have is enough. What I have is enough, you know, for right now. And it would work with this bag, so I can still carry it now. But I could definitely get some slim card holders, you know, to give me even more room. And I believe I have a couple already. You know, there are options, you know, to give me more room to carry the things that I would need on any given day. So, not bad. Not bad at all to me. So, again, let me know what you think. I hope you have a great night. And I thank you so much for watching. Bye.